Jumbo. Looks good.
Yeah, poutine.
Oh, yeah, I see that.
Chicken and bacon, you won't like that one.
No. Yeah. Hey, you. We're finally at the poutine truck, aren't we?
Yeah. We had Mackey's poutine. Remember? We had Mackey's when we were down at Fort Stanley.
Yes, we had Mackey's. Oh, before that we had A&W, which was bad. Remember?
Now we're having Ed's poutine.
Now we're at Ed's. Ed's. Yep. And look, they got lots of fish and stuff on here for some reason. Well, they have deals each day. They have Toonie Tuesday. Keep that in mind, huh? Toonie Tuesday. So we'll see how this poutine is, huh? So what do we got here, huh? Jumbo. Looks good. What do you think? Yes? Well, there you go.
And regular.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. And my regular. Yay! So what do you think? What's the verdict?
Well, poutine's very good. Very good.
That's my turn to dig in.
There's fishies.
Yeah, I got a regular, and he got a jumbo.
Yeah, I got the jumbo one.
Jumbo's like double
Huge,
size or
yeah.
something. And you could actually get a family size too, but anyway.
It is good.
Much better than A&W.
Oh yeah.
Yep, very good. All right, we're gonna chow down.
Yeah.
What was that place called?
It was called Ed's.
Ed's Poutine.
Ed's Poutine down at this little food truck that sits down at Gibraltar Trade Center.
Yes, so we would highly recommend that place. They did a fine job. The cheese that they used was shredded mozzarella, which I think is a good idea. Better chance of it to melt too, because it's in smaller pieces. It's definitely hot. They put hot gravy on it. The worst poutine I've ever had thus far is at A&W.
Yeah.
Because it was cold, the cheese wasn't melted, it was very unpleasant, and there was even uncooked french fries. So, Ed's Poutine, we give it an A+.
Yeah.
Very good.
At Gibraltar Trade Center, London, Ontario.
Go there and tell them that we sent you their way. Yes. Yeah. Right?
Yeah, they're going to be like, who the hell is Toy Man and Fishy?
It doesn't matter. All right. Later.